Hello, Aquarius. This is your channel messages for my Aquarian placements for the 16th of March. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aquarius. Let's go. We have broken hearts. Oh no, my poor baby. Oh no. Deep hurt, sad separation, breakup, feeling lost, grieving, and mourning. So I'm sorry. Getting you're having a heartbreak. The golden mirror, self-absorbed, narcissist, one-sided relationship, love bombing. So I'm getting you were getting love bombed, okay, Aquarius? Something started off running. It was lovely, kisses, romantic, dinners, expensive flights, vacations. Something felt like it was a movie. And then somebody broke up with you or cheated on you. You were getting love bombed. So I'm sorry you were dating a narcissist. This could be you. You're so caught up in your image and how you look and thinking that you're the most beautiful thing that has ever stepped the face of the earth other than Lady Sansa Stark. And I'm getting someone broke up with you because of it. Maybe you're out of touch with reality. Because I'm getting self-absorbed narcissist. You spend hours and hours and do your hair, your makeup, all of this. I'm getting the guy who you're with, me getting him is like, I don't want to do this anymore. He doesn't want to do it anymore. Or somebody feels like you're too, I don't know, materialistic for them. I'm getting someone's breaking up with you and you do not really know why. I feel like it's because somebody feel like you're too self-absorbed. You spend too much time in the mirror. Not only that, I just feel like maybe you were too busy. I don't know. Were you attending to your partner's feelings? Because I feel like you're in a relationship with somebody and you're just in a relationship with somebody. You don't attend to them feelings or nothing like that. So you don't give them a place to be safe. We have the Page of Cups coming out first. We also have the Six of Cups. Okay, I'm getting an apology. Somebody wants to have a conversation with you. Yeah, about breaking your heart. Don't want to break your heart. Let me give your heart a break. I know I'm scared of from like you gon' make a mistake. There's just one life to live and there's no time to waste. So let me give your heart a break. Your heart a break. I'm getting someone wants to apologize for breaking your heart. Maybe somebody wants a second chance with you, or somebody just does not want to feel. I'm getting somebody want to have a conversation. Maybe somebody's going to be like, can we be friends? Wow, that's, whoa. Damn. Friend zoned. Oof. We have the Eight of Wands and we have the Three of Pentacles. I'm getting it's a part of the plan though. Who are you? Aquarius, are you a celebrity? Are you a star? I'll be getting you get love bomb. Maybe something was supposed to make you take some time off from work, or you wasn't supposed to show up for some meetings. Me getting somebody was supposed to come in and love bomb you, then leave you, and make you feel like it's your. Hydra Canada wants you to know that even though you're being love bombed by your spouse, which may come from an international country, just know that even though the relationship did not work out, that light and water bill still needs to be paid. Ontario, Canada, making sure that Canadians pay twice as much for the same service. So let me give your heart a break. Somebody wants to apologize for breaking your heart. I'm also getting something about somebody wants to offer you a job, but them don't know if you're going to take it the wrong way. We're getting, it has the potential to make a lot of money. Somebody want to offer you a job. Them don't know if them offer it to you, you're going to be offended. So that's another thing to talk about. We have a Nine of Swords. Yeah, somebody feel really, really sorry for not giving you something, maybe for breaking up with you. All right, we have the Moon card. Yeah, because I'm getting you don't know why it ended. Me getting is a setup, or more than one people are in, yeah. Somebody's supposed to come in, love bomb you, romance you, and abandon you. Then they might come back in again. Or I'm getting the plan. The plan was they're gonna come in, romance you, love bomb you, then they're gonna leave you homeless again. They're gonna leave you. No, me getting a plot to make you homeless. That could be you're gonna meet a man, and I'm gonna ask you for moving. Do not move in, especially if you don't have a job. The man might ask you for moving and give you a job. No, this is great. I admire a man who knows that I need a place to stay, or I admire a man who knows I need a job. The problem is, I might have the job for as long as I'm with the guy. I don't know if when suppose the guy broke up with me, suppose the guy cheat on me and I leave him, does that mean I don't have a job anymore? That's the only worry I have with things like that. Because me getting the plan is to make you homeless again. Somebody gonna love bomb you, come in, romance you, talk to you, cause you anxiety, then abandon you. 3 of Swords, moon card, but kind of feel like them abandon you because them with another woman or with another man. So you're going to get abandoned again. You know what I'm getting? I'm getting the next time I get abandoned, you're going to get Knight of Pentacles. Because I'm getting something, you know, like how the CIA will watch you and study you? The CIA is watching and studying the other person too. You see the person who's supposed to abandon you? Me getting them don't want to do it, but that's the order them get to carry out. The CIA is seeing if them are going to carry out the order that them tell them to carry out, or if them are going to have free will and say, you know what, fuck this, we're not doing it. Because while somebody's studying you and making sure that you're stuck, the CIA has studied them. For say that person that really carry out, that person that really just did that to this person and the person never did. Oh, you are real ventriloquist. Oh, you are real puppets. Because we're getting somebody studying you to see how to break you down. Sorry, I can't blood clot broke me down. I come from a broken home with broken parents, broken family. I'm married into a broken family. I came from a broken system. You can't blood clot break me. 9 of Wands, and we also have a Death card. Yeah, I'm getting someone supposed to come in, abandon you. That's the plan. You're going to come in, apologize to you. Then I'm going to break it. I'm getting some, it's a loop. You're always in a loop. It's to keep you either homeless, abandoned. I feel like you're beautiful though, I won't lie. I feel like your beauty has a lot. I'm telling you. Other than God cursing me with intelligence and he's cursing me with the fact that I am very self-sufficient. God didn't know what I'm going to do when he make me look like this. Because damn, it brought a lot of motherfucking hate from bitches and even men. Yeah, the job is to come in, love bomb you, leave you, abandon you again. Getting homelessness, the Knight of Swords. We have the Page of Swords. Yeah, someone's watching you online. The 6 of Swords and the Temperance. I'm getting everything is going to be okay. Me even getting that the man, me getting this somebody's supposed to be punishing you. Me getting them punish you. But then when them done punish you, them do things to you to make you feel better. It could be love bombing, but me getting his orders them get to carry out. And after they carry out the orders, them feel bad. So maybe somebody is not really an evil person. We're getting them just have orders to carry out. But also, we're getting someone studying you when they do certain things to you. Yeah, so whoever study you, somebody's studying them. To see if they're going to stand up for you, if they're not going to say anything, if they're going to take the money. Like, this is a two-way street. Yeah, up the coast is a 13th zodiac sign. We have sleep. We have a number 2. So pay attention to your dreams. We have Aries. Aries rules the head. Pay attention to your dreams. We have Virgo. And God. God, that's how God, me say, that's how I know. That's how I know. This is how I know I'm going to be a wealthy motherfucker in a few years. This is how my motherfucking know that it no matter what the government tell me, it no matter what people who graduate against university tell me, It no matter what my parents tell me. Even if I fall in love with a man and I want to have him kid, it no matter what him tell me. Nobody can convince me. So what I am not doing is not where I'm supposed to be. When I can go fuck off and go suck on the blood clot, mother. You see, when you see me, you're looking at a motherfucking boss, bitch. I want you to, when you see a bitch like me, I want you to know you're dealing with a motherfucking boss, bitch. Fuck out of here, ho! The fuck out of here, ho! Again. Where the fuck I did with my card? Hello? Hello? The point I'm trying to make is exactama, CIA. I don't know what made the card. I threw it up and it went down. CIA. Don't you ever motherfucking disrespect me, bitch. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.